This video is an overview of how to set up and use Project Insight's add-on cross-project dependencies. First of all, what you need to do is go to the add-ons section in Project Insight. Make sure you have cross-project dependencies installed. Next, in my example here, I'm going to connect Getting Started project, specifically initial call task being the first task on this task list, to have the predecessor of Save Backups in my New Project Plan project. Note the dates. The end date of this Save Backups is Friday the 13th in November 2020. And my start date for initial call and Getting Started project is currently 12/1. Now the reason why it's 12/1 is if I go in to edit the project, the scheduled start date is 12/1/2020. So because there's no predecessor currently set up as the first task on the task list, that is the start date of this task. Now, to enable the Getting Started project to have a connection with New Project Plan, I need to first go in and edit this Getting Started project under Cross Project Dependencies. Now you can see I already have this connection set up, but to do so, I can go ahead and choose from all of my projects in Project Insight, select New Plan, and add that in. I've already done so, I can go back. And now that I've done so, if I inline edit and add a predecessor to this initial call, it's going to give me the option to choose what project I want that predecessor to come from. Now by default, it's going to choose the project I'm on right now, but I'm going to choose New Project Plan. Then I'm going to go down the task list of New Project Plan. I already decided that I want to save backups to be my predecessor for initial call, and add that in. And now it's going to say the project first because it's coming from a different project, and then the name of the task that the predecessor is. You'll notice that's a nice difference between the rest of them, so I can tell that this is a cross-project dependency rather than just another predecessor from within the same project. You also notice that the dates changed. My start date pulled back to Friday, November 13th, 2020, which was the end date for Save Backups. Now you can see the rest of the tasks followed suit in my waterfall predecessor relationship here. And from here, if I make any changes to the predecessor Save Backups, say make it 10 days rather than 5, it's going to push that up to the 20th. And if I refresh this page, it's also going to push the start date of this project initial call.